The Boy Who Asked Why, the story of Albert Einstein. Did you know that one of the smartest people in history didn't talk until he was 3 years old? His name was Albert. As a little boy, Albert was very quiet. He liked to think and observe the world around him. While other children played loud games, Albert looked at nature. He wanted to know how everything worked. Did you know a small gift changed Albert's life? When he was 5, his father, Vectus, gave him a pocket compass. No matter which way Albert turned, the needle always pointed north. Albert was amazed. He realized there were hidden forces in the world that he couldn't see. This spark of wonder stayed with him forever. Did you know Albert didn't always like school? He found the lessons boring because he had to memorize facts. He preferred to ask why and how. To relax, he played the violin. Music helped him think about his scientific problems. He often said that he saw his theories in the form of music and patterns. Did you know Albert's first big job wasn't as a professor? He worked in a patent office. His job was to look at new inventions. While he worked, he used his free time to imagine. He wondered what it would be like to ride on a beam of light. These thought experiments led him to change science forever. Did you know that in 1905, Albert wrote 4 papers that changed the world? He was only 26 years old. He proved that everything is made of tiny atoms. He also explained how light works. This year is now called his Year of Miracles. He showed that even a young person with a big imagination can change everything. Did you know Albert created the most famous equation in the world? It is E equals mc squared. He worked on these big ideas with the help of his brilliant friend, Sigma. This equation means that energy and matter are actually the same thing. It showed that even a tiny piece of dust contains a huge amount of hidden energy. Did you know Albert changed how we think about space? He imagined that space and time are like a giant, stretchy blanket. He called this space-time. If you put a heavy ball, like a star, on the blanket, it curves the fabric. This curve is what we feel as gravity. It was a brand new way to see the universe. Did you know other scientists had to prove Albert was right? During a solar eclipse, light from distant stars bent exactly as Albert predicted. Suddenly, Albert became the most famous scientist in the world. People everywhere wanted to meet him. A young writer named Scriba even asked him for an interview about his curved space. Did you know Albert used his fame to help people? He traveled the world to talk about peace and kindness. He believed that being curious was more important than being a genius. Even when he was older, he never stopped asking questions. He often wore messy hair and no socks because he focused on his ideas instead. Did you know you can be like Albert too? He said, "The important thing is not to stop questioning. You don't need a lab to be a scientist. You just need your imagination. Every time you wonder about the stars or how a leaf grows, you are thinking like Albert. What will you discover today?"